Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Show at Home. Today I'm making crispy Korean vegetable pancakes, Yachaejeon. Golden, crunchy on the outside, soft inside, and packed with flavor. This is one of the easiest and most satisfying ways to cook vegetables. Ready in about 20 minutes. Let's get started. Start with 5 to 6 green onions. Cut them into 1/2 inch pieces and set aside. We'll use them for the dipping sauce. Now slice all the vegetables into thin matchsticks. 1 medium zucchini, partially peeled. 1 small carrot, 1 sweet green pepper, seeds removed, 1 large portobello mushroom, 1/2 white onion. You can also use whatever vegetables you have: cabbage, sweet potato, even chili peppers. Add everything to a large bowl except the green onions. Next, let's make the batter. In a separate bowl, mix 3/4 cup flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Add 1 egg, then slowly pour in 3/4 cup cold water, mixing until smooth. Pour the batter over the vegetables and mix well until everything is evenly coated. Time to prepare the dipping sauce. In the bowl with green onions, mix 1/3 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon honey. Done. Simple and perfect. Okay, let's cook the pancakes. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half of the mixture and spread it evenly. Press it down gently. Lower heat to medium and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Give the pan a shake, it should move freely. Flip carefully, use a plate if needed, and cook another 4 to 5 minutes until crisp. Repeat with the remaining mixture. Serve hot with the dipping sauce. Look at that, crispy outside, soft inside, perfect texture. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video and subscribe to Cooking Show at Home for more easy and delicious recipes. And tell me in the comments, what vegetables would you use? Thanks for watching, see you next time.